I was like, you know what? That'll give me time to get the white truck ready. Got a baby appointment tomorrow. So my wife's gonna have the Silverado, and then my mom's here. I can't load the truck. So Tuesday we're going to the brothers. So I come in here, and that light, if I can point to it right there, runs off my solar unit. Just an inverter. I've had that one probably the longest, and they're LED low wattage, so that's why I like to use them, because I don't have a big capacity solar bank. Well, come out here, turn this thing on. It don't work. So I'm left with this thing that pulls like, I think it's like 300 and some watts. So it just sucks the battery rate down. There's not a lot of sun right now. So I get that. Impact's dead. But we got the truck loaded. Had to load it on the Dodge, which looked overkill. We'll switch to the Chevy, but I had this thing in 4 low or 4 high, and after I got it locked in, stood on the brake, got on the 2-step, and you can see on the pavement where the rear tires are spinning and the front's not. But if I let off the brake and I bump it a little bit, you can feel it pull. So something's definitely wrong with it, but I got one right here. So we're hoping that one works, and we'll go ahead and get that all switched out Tuesday, and hopefully it's ready to go. So I might keep the truck loaded, and then we can just haul ass on Saturday. So just letting you guys know where we're at. I'm trying to post a lot more of these long format videos instead of trying to throw everything into a short real quick. But that's where we're at, and hopefully we'll see some other videos on Tuesday. And I'm really hoping this works, because I really want to go. It's the last thing I'm gonna do with the truck this year, and I might not even get out next year. So we'll see how it goes. But catch you guys next time. Stay tuned. See ya.